Hello, Jutta family. The stray mother dog and 8 puppies have just arrived at our quarantine area. Yogis and a friend are helping because Yannis has a bad back. He's seeing doctors about it and physio as well. These puppies are very, very young, only a couple of days old. And as I said previously, the mother, Yogis, was feeding the stray mother, so she is familiar. He is familiar to her. She will come to him. They are going to one of the big rooms or big areas. This is one of the large, we have 2 large quarantine areas and 2 small ones. So they're going straight to the large ones, so we don't need to move them. We will keep people coming in and out down to a minimum, again to prevent as much as we possibly can the dangers of infection. All this has been disinfected prior to the puppies arriving. There is a lot of parvo in Crete. There is a lot of typhus as well. It's endemic. It's everywhere, literally. So we are as careful as we possibly can. It's a very, very difficult virus to get rid of. It has a protective layer, so it's very difficult. Most things don't kill it, and there is no cure to parvo, so it's nasty. Now these blankets came from my house where the griffons were living, so they haven't been in the shelter at all. Again, just to be extra safe. You see how she's near him? She's looking at what is going on, but she's also near Yogis. She feels safer with him. These kennels inside are very large, they're very big, and they have a very small door so that they keep warm inside. So adult dogs have to crouch, or large dogs have to crouch down to get in and out. Look at them. So little. So gorgeous.
Okay, estima matos napai. Korai?
All different colors, so sweet.
Esti napai.
There goes Mama. Make sure her babies are okay, and she's checking around as well. We will have food and water bowls by the door, and we will be putting a mix of feed, dry and wet. Thank you very much for your support, Jutta family. We can't do it without you. Bye bye for now.
Ierapetras.